script. You're looking at a motorhome that can hit 60 in under 5 seconds, and yes, it's an Audi. With quattro all-wheel drive, a 700-mile electric range, and a fully autonomous lounge mode, this isn't just a camper van. It's a mobile revolution. Welcome back to the channel, where we don't just talk horsepower and torque. We explore the future of mobility, design, and what happens when automotive legends break all the rules. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most outrageous and compelling concepts to ever wear the four rings, the 2026 bright blue Audi motorhome. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a motorhome. Imagine Audi's sleekest e-tron GT lines fused with the brutal presence of a Dakar-ready SUV, stretched over a long wheelbase architecture with subtle design nods to the RS6 Avant. It's low-slung, wide-shouldered, and unmistakably Audi, down to the razor-thin OLED lighting and turbine-spoke wheels wrapped in Continental cross-contact EV rubber. But the magic is what lies beneath the surface. Built on Volkswagen Group's new SDLM platform, Sustainable Touring Long Module, this vehicle is Audi's boldest experiment yet, an all-electric, performance-focused, long-range touring van designed to function as a luxurious, self-sustaining home on wheels. Dual e-axle motors push out a combined 670 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque. But it's not just about speed. With adaptive air suspension and predictive terrain mapping, it rides like a luxury sedan on tarmac and like a purpose-built off-roader when the pavement ends. Step inside, and everything you thought you knew about RV interiors vanishes. The cabin is a seamless blend of Scandinavian minimalism and Audi's precision tech aesthetic. Ambient lighting traces clean lines across sustainably sourced eucalyptus panels. The captain's chairs up front rotate 180 degrees, unlocking lounge mode, a cabin-wide transformation triggered when the vehicle switches to Level 4 autonomous driving. A panoramic electrochromic roof overhead shifts from clear to opaque with a tap, bathing the interior in soft, diffuse light. The kitchen? Induction cooktops, retractable sink, smart fridge, all powered by a 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack, with integrated solar array on the roof capable of harvesting up to 2 kilowatts of solar energy on a clear day. Water filtration is built in, using an innovative condensation capture system from the HVAC. The sleeping quarters convert from rear lounge sofas to a queen-size bed in seconds, while an extendable slide-out adds a full meter of extra width when parked. And then there's the driving experience. Whether you're navigating tight European city streets or hammering down a coastal road in Croatia, the Audi motorhome feels tight, responsive, and incredibly refined. The haptic feedback steering wheel and ultra-high-res dash display aren't just futuristic, they're intuitive. And thanks to the integrated Audi Companion AI, voice controls are seamless. Ask it for the nearest campsite with View, and it plots a route, checks availability, and even preps the cabin for arrival. But the biggest twist? This isn't just a concept anymore. Audi has confirmed limited production for Q3 2026, with early allocations going to select European markets. Price? Expected north of $250,000. But for what you're getting, luxury, performance, autonomy, sustainability, it's in a class of its own. There's nothing else like it. Not from Mercedes, not from Winnebago, not even from Tesla's rumored RV project. So, what does this mean for the future of travel? The bright blue Audi motorhome doesn't just challenge the conventions of van life. It obliterates them. It redefines what we expect from our vehicles, where performance meets purpose, where design serves freedom, and where the open road becomes a statement, not just a destination. If you made it this far, you're probably just as intrigued by this wild machine as we are. So tell us, would you trade your house for one? Would you live full-time in an Audi if it looked and drove like this? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the bleeding edge of automotive innovation, give the video a like. And subscribe for more insights into the vehicles that are shaping tomorrow, and share it with fellow enthusiasts who needs to see what Audi just did. This has been your ultimate tour of the bright blue Audi Motorhome 2026. Until next time, stay driven.